Today we introduce a set fridge magnet souvenir design of our customers. There are 3 designs in total. Each one represents a famous local attraction. The first model is China Changsha du Fujian Pavilion. The back has a limited edition numerical number. There is also the designer's logo. The front is enameled and clear lacquered. The second model is China Changsha Wuyi Square. The third model is China Changsha Railway Station. We also offer packaging customization. Thanks for watching.